Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how I do this, just for fun. But don't worry, this tutorial will really help you. If you want to learn Canva, I'll also show you how to put a picture inside just one word. So the text stays the same but the word has a picture. So here we go. Alright, let's start with a clean blank white Canva. So down here, I click the color gradient for background. I pick a super light yellow and a light blue for the background. I place the blue in the center like a sky and surround it with yellow. Now, let's start by searching for text frame and or elements. I'll name this Toilight City. So the letters will be placed here at the bottom. Each letter is intentionally left empty so you can customize it and insert any photo you prefer inside. Let's add the letter frames one by one, and I'll fast forward this part. Now, we're going to select all the letters and group them together so they stay perfectly aligned. I put up beautiful pictures of buildings online. They are right in the middle of the sea. Look at this. And it's perfect to put at the toilet bowl. Later, you'll see what I'm going to do with it. Now, place the picture here and fit it to the background. Next, drag it downward and drag it up with the text Toilet City. After that, send the photo behind the text. Next, tap to duplicate the picture. Then use the duplicated copy to place it inside each letter one by one. After it, delete the picture behind. And this is the final text Toilet City. As you can see, it now looks like one single picture. Next, click the gallery at the bottom. Let's start placing the toilet bowl onto our design. What we're going to do here is remove the white background so only the actual toilet bowl is left. Let's go to Magic Studio and click VG Remover, which means background remover. There it is, only the toilet bowl is left. Now place it in the center where you want it to be. We need to place it behind the Toilet City text so it doesn't cover the letters. Let's go to Elements and look for an oval shape. If this is helpful for you, tap subscribe and let's continue. After that, position it above the toilet bowl and use it to cover the hole. The shape we need should be a frame that we can warp or resize so it looks like it's lying down and fits perfectly over the hole at the top of the toilet bowl. Be sure to position it correctly first. This will help the building image we add later fit perfectly. Next, grab another picture just like before. It's already in the Uploads tab, so I can just get it from the gallery. Go to the Magic Studio again, then tap the VG Remover to remove the background. Well, place it inside the oval frame, and this is how it will look. Add the last one picture, and just like before, we'll remove the background again, so only the beautiful round buildings remains. Go to the Magic Studio and click the VG Remover to remove the background again. After that, place it in the center so it stands upright and clearly looks like it's on top of the toilet bowl. That's why I'm going to name it Toilight City. Now fast forward a bit and let's add clouds, airplanes, sparkling lights, and flying planes.
The sparkling lights will move from the bottom toward the top of the building.
So here it is. Check out the amazing result. So we finished learning how to place picture inside letter frames using just a single image. But wow, the animation and motion at the end look incredible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Canva hack. Bye po!